Welcome to the 2017-18 school year, where at Waco ISD, we are making the registration process easier, faster, and online for your convenience. This step-by-step tutorial is designed to show you how you can easily begin the enrollment process for your returning student or students to the Waco ISD schools. Please remember that although you may complete the majority of the process online, you will still need to visit the campus to fully complete the registration process. If you encounter any challenges while accessing the system, please contact your child's campus for assistance. If this is your child's first year in Waco ISD, you will not be able to use this system since it is required to register in person at the campus. This online registration system was available last year for returning students. If you used the system last year, you will follow the directions for existing users. If you are new to Waco ISD and/or completed registration using the paper forms last year, you will follow the directions for new users. Go to the Waco ISD homepage at wacoisd.org. Click on the image with the Waco ISD logo to arrive at the instructions page. This video, along with basic instructions, are on that page. Click on the link, click here to access online registration to begin your session. The process will involve creating a username and password under the Parent Self-Serve screen and then using that information to access the Student Online Registration menu. Existing users do not need to create a new login and can pick up when the portion of this tutorial addresses logging into the Online Registration menu. If your browser pop-up blocker prevents you from starting, follow the directions on the screen and click the word Here. New users. You were new to Waco ISD last year and/or filled out paper registration forms last year. You will need to have the following information to create a Parent Self-Serve account: the first and last name of the primary parent guardian, child's birth date, child's last name, the last zip code that was reported to the campus, and the Waco ISD local student ID number, a 5 or 8-digit number that is found on your child's report card. Click on the Register button at the bottom of this screen under New Users. Enter the information requested on the screen marked with a red asterisk. Your user ID can consist of any combination of letters and numbers as well as your password. You will receive an alert if that user ID is already in use. Create a security question that you can answer in the event that you forget your password. This username and password will be used throughout the year to check on your child's grades and attendance online. Click Submit once you have completed this screen. It is recommended that you not allow your browser to remember your password. Once you have received the new user registration confirmation, click OK. Please note that you have created a Parent Self-Serve account that will now allow you to begin the online registration process. From this menu, click on the Click Here to access the 2017-18 online registration menu. This is the online registration login screen. Select the language of choice and enter the user ID and password that you created earlier. Click on the Login button. If you are an existing user and cannot recall your login username, please contact your child's campus. If you cannot recall your password, click the Forgot Password button. My Student screen. Click on the top drop-down triangle under the box Select a Student. All of your children that are returning to Waco schools should appear on the drop-down list. If any of your children are not on the list, please click on the Logout button at the top right-hand side of the screen and contact the campus that the student is expected to attend. The campus will need to connect that child with the other siblings electronically so that you can see them all under the drop-down menu. Please do not proceed with the online registration process until the campus has made the correction if needed. If all of your children are present on the drop-down list, please select the first child listed and click Next. Student Information screen. On the next menu, complete the information that is not grayed out. You will not be allowed to change the campus or address from this screen. If you have changed your home address, please continue with this process and take proof of residency to the campus that your child will be attending based on the campus attendance zone. Please note that there is a vertical scroll bar that will reveal additional parts of this and other screens. Click the Next button when you have completed this screen. Parent-Guardian Contact Screen. Please complete and/or update all of the information on this screen. If you wish to add a guardian, please click the Add a Contact tab at the top of the screen and complete the information. The mailing address portion can remain blank unless mail is delivered to an address other than the student's home address. Make sure to complete the phone number portion completely and indicate whether numbers can be used for text message alerts. The cell phone provider must be selected under the drop-down box to receive text messages from the campus and/or district. Click the Next button when you have finished adding and updating the parent-guardian contacts. Emergency Contact Screen. Update and complete the Emergency Contact Screen. Waco ISD requires that each child have at least 3 contacts that are not living in the same home with the child. Make sure to indicate whether the emergency contacts can pick up drop-off students. You can also add a contact by clicking the Add a Contact tab. Click the Next button when you have finished adding and updating your emergency contacts. Verify Campus Screen. This screen will tell you the campus that your returning child is expected to attend. The name of the campus cannot be modified. If the campus listed is in error, please continue with the registration process and visit the campus your child will attend with recent proof of residency or an approved transfer letter by the Waco ISD administration. Click Next. Student Form Screen. There are 7 forms that must be completed. Please remember the vertical scroll bar. To access the forms, click the Open Form button under each title and a form window will appear. Complete all the information requested and electronically sign each form by entering your full name and date in the appropriate location at the bottom of each form. Click Submit at the bottom left-hand corner when you have completed the information on each form. As you complete each form, you will see that the alert of To Do will change to Complete. Click Submit at the bottom right hand of the screen when you have completed all of the forms. Registration is not complete screen. Although you have completed all the online registration forms, you are required to visit the campus which your child will attend in order to finalize your registration. Please make sure that you take a recent proof of residency, updated immunization records, and any guardian change documentation with you to the campus. Click the Confirm Enrollment button to obtain the online enrollment confirmation. Take a copy of this form to the campus if you are able to print at home. Click the Next button. If you have additional children to enroll, select their names from the drop-down menu. If you have finished enrolling all of your children, click on the Log Out button. This completes your Waco ISD online enrollment process of registration. Please remember that you will need to visit your child's campus during normal hours to complete your child's registration.